Hey everybody, Mark again with one more video for today. Now we'll talk about the passive, or sometimes we say the passive voice. Now, for some of you, if you've just finished pre-intermediate, moving into inter, you might say, what is this passive voice? And why would we use it? Well, here, I'll start with this example. I say, someone stole my bike. Someone stole my bike. I could change that sentence to, my bike was stolen. In this example, we're going to use this new pattern because we don't know who. Someone stole my bike. I don't know who, right? So I can say, my bike was stolen. You look on the table, you have a cookie, right? The cookie disappeared, right? The cookie was eaten, right? The bike was stolen. We don't know the person, so we can use this new grammar pattern. We can also use it for something like this. I say, the man was arrested. The man was arrested. If you're arrested, you get the handcuffs put on you, right? If this happens, who arrests? Right? Of course, it's always the police. So if it's something that's obvious for us, then we can also use the passive. The man was arrested. Okay, one more reason to use the passive. That's this, right? For me today, I recorded this video, right? My job, I recorded this, I made this video. I could say this video was recorded on 15th October. Let's see what happened here. I recorded the video. This video was recorded, right? I disappear. Because for this sentence, I'm not important. The important thing is the video and when it was recorded. We can remove the subject. Our other example, I can say Mark teaches this class, right? For our class, my class on Mondays, my class on Tuesdays, Mark teaches this class. I'm the one that teaches. If I change to passive, I can say, this class is taught by Mark. You see, I don't need to say who teaches. I can add it at the end though, if I want, right? My bike was stolen by a robber. Okay? The man was arrested by the police, right? The video was recorded by Mark on 15th October, right? We can add the subject, add who does the action, right? But we don't have to. We can put it at the end of the sentence. Okay, so again, our quick review of our passive. I hope this helped you guys a lot, and I'll see you again next time.